Hi loves, what is up? It's AshecaLee here, back at it with another video, and this will be another client video. So this is actually my sister. I know you guys have seen her on my channel before. Nothing new. So I am just going to be cutting off the wig cap on the areas that really just don't need it. All that excess cap has got to go. So in today's video, I'm going to be using this 20-inch wig that I got from AliPearl. You can check all of their information down below. This is their deep curl, I believe, and I feel like it's really nice. So the reason why the lace is cut already is because I tried to install it on myself, but the cap did not fit. It was too small, so I used my sister as my demo. So I am just adding her color foundation to the lace, and now we're just going to guys, this is my nephew. For those of you guys that follow me on social media, you know that my sister was pregnant for a very long time, what seems like forever. And she finally gave birth to my nephew. He is about 1 month old right now, and he is just the cutest thing ever. And I am an auntie. So we definitely have a new addition to the family, and we are so excited for him. You guys, they actually have a YouTube channel of their own. I will leave their information down in the description box below. If you guys want to see more of Mr. Sweetface, then, you know, go to their channel and watch their videos. Mwah, my baby. Alrighty, love. So back to the hair. I actually had plans of filming like a different kind of video. So what you guys see me doing here, I had tried out a new glue that did not work. So I just decided to just leave that out because it was really kind of repetitive. And long story short, the glue did not work for me. It did not stick. So I just went in with my normal routine, which is using the bolt hole glue. And we're just going to fast forward to that portion of the video. Okay, so this is actually me doing the baby hairs with the glue that just was not it at all. And you are about to see the epic fail that happened with this glue, okay? Sometimes with stylists and trying out new products, sometimes they don't work, and that's okay. And I was going to leave this out, but I wanted to show you guys that, you know, you don't do everything perfect every time. So this was the outcome, and it was just not it. Y'all, it was so bad that even baby Jalen was having a fit about it. So I just decided to take the whole thing off, re-dry her skin, re-dry the lace, and just go in with my normal glue. Now, I'm using the bow hold, and I literally do the same process with the bow hold. And this is my go-to glue for my clients, for myself. This is what I use. So, yep, I am just smearing that bolt hold on the front of the cap and smoothing it out with a popsicle stick. You guys know the drill with this. I literally do the same thing every time, and I feel like, you know, this is definitely beginner friendly for my beginners who are just now starting out with installing lace fronts. So what I'm doing is just blow drying the lace because obviously you cannot lay, you know, wet lace down into the glue. It's just not going to stick at all. So you want to make sure that the lace is dry, the skin is dry, and that the skin is also clean. And that is going to be your key to having it stick and having it melt the way it is supposed to. So I would definitely say this is definitely an easy install and definitely recommended for my beginners. If you have issues, just keep watching this video. It's so simple and so easy. So same technique, I am now just pressing the lace into her skin. So I definitely had to go in with a blow dryer and make sure that the lace was dry because you cannot lay down wet lace on glue. It's not going to stick at all. Now there's a difference with the lace already in the glue and you applying mousse to the lace for the baby hairs rather than the lace just being fully wet and trying to stick it. It just doesn't work. That's like wet skin and tape. It's just not going to work. It's not going to stick at all. That's just how it works. And then we're just going to jump back into the baby hairs. So because I've already applied mousse to the whole hairline and the baby hairs, and then going back in with some free spray as well, letting that dry for extra hold. Because I already went back in on the hairline with mousse, I am not going to drench the whole hairline again in mousse, but you guys have seen me do that technique in plenty of other videos. So I felt like there was already enough product on the hair and I didn't want to add too much. And then the baby hairs look all gel down or just look wonky. So I'm going in with the edge brush and edge comb and just re-adding those baby hairs because the first time, you know, when it lifted up, it looked a bit crazy. We can't leave it like that. All right, so after we have everything tied down, I actually left her hair like that a minute afterwards because I wanted to see if it was going to lift. Obviously, I knew it wasn't. So I just went back in with my hair tie, and we're going to tie it down for a minute or so, just so that it can melt into her skin. And then we're going to, while her hair is tied down, excuse all the mess, you guys. This is like, I told y'all, I need to clean my my YouTube filming room. So if y'all want a video, y'all have to comment down below, okay? If you guys want to watch me clean this up, then leave a comment down below. But this is their 20-inch lace frontal wig, and the curls are really, really, really nice, very defined, very loose, nice, and fluffy. It looks really pretty, and I feel like this is longer than 20 inches. I may be wrong, but the inch will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, that curl just looks amazing. Amazing. It looks so good. So now I'm going to take off that scarf. And as you guys can see, everything is melted. Okay, she know it. Y'all saw that eyebrow raise. And now you guys know the final step. We got to use that hot comb to flatten everything out. Everything. Okay, so that we can get that flawless and seamless look. Wow, y'all see that lace? Oh my God, that lace is melted, okay? It looks so good. So good. That lace is her skin. You cannot tell me nothing. That's all scalp, okay? So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to your girl's channel. Leave a comment down below. And check the description box for all of the information and all of the products that I used in this video. And before we go, today's motivational quote is, "You'll never find the right people if you don't let go of the wrong ones. Stop letting toxic people take up all the space in your life." And that is definitely a word. So with all of that being said, I will see you loves in my next one. Bye.